Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss how to create phone field type in Salesforce, and we are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So before we will proceed how to create it, we will first learn what is phone field type in Salesforce. The phone field type is defined as a field type that permits the user to enter any phone number, and the character limit of phone number field is up to 40. Salesforce automatically formats this phone number field type as a phone number. We can create the phone field on any type of the object because the phone number is useful for calling the employees by simply picking the phone number from the phone field. Now move forward and discuss how to create phone field type in Salesforce Lightning. This is my Salesforce Lightning over for creating the phone field type. Firstly, we click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that, and under this gear icon, there are two options. First one is setup and the another one is service setup. Click on the setup option. After clicking on the setup option, the setup page is open. Here you can see that the object manager tab is present on the nav bar. Click on the object manager tab. The object manager page is open. Here you can see the lots of objects are present, and we want to select the contact object. So we search the contact in the search box, and the contact object is comes at the top. Click on the contact object. After clicking on the contact object, here on the left side there is a detailed section, and under this detail section you can see that there is a field and relationship option. Click on the field and relationships. The field and relationship page is open. Here we want to create the new field type, so click on the new button. The data type page is open. There are lots of data type present on this page, and here we are selecting the phone data type. Click on the checkbox of phone data type, and that allow the user to enter any type of phone number, automatically format it as a phone number, and then click on the next button. The contact new custom field page is open. Here we enter the detail related to the contact page. Contact, here we are enter the detail related to the contact. So first fill the field label as a phone number, and then enter the field name, which is automatically filled by simply clicking on the field, and then click on the next button. After entering the complete information related to the contact, now establish the field level security. Now select the profile to which we want to grant the added access to the field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profiles if we do not add to it the field level security. So we click on the checkbox visible, and this enables the security for the profile, and then click on the next button. After establishing the field level security, now add to the page layout. Select the page layout that should involve this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of this page layout. The field will not appear on any other page if we do not select a page layout. Now click on the save button. Now we come back to our field and relationship page, and you can see that the phone number field type is created successfully. Now move forward and discuss how to create phone field type in Salesforce Classic. First, switch to the Salesforce Classic. Click on the profile picture. This is my profile picture, and under this profile picture you can see that there is an option switch to Salesforce Classic. Click to the switch to Salesforce Classic option. The Classic org is open. Now click on the username, and under this username there is a setup option. Click on that. Now enter the contract in the quick find box, and you can see the contract object is shown, and under this contract object there is a fields option. Click on this fields. The contract fields page is open. Now scroll to the bottom of the page. Here you can see that the contract custom field and relationship section. For creating the new field type, click on the new button. After clicking on the new button, the contract new custom field page is open. Here we can choose the field type, and we want to choose the field type as a phone, and then click on the next button. Now we enter the detail related to the contract. Then firstly fill the field label, and here we are filling the field label as contractor phone number, and then fill the field name, which is automatically filled by simply clicking on the field and then click on the next button. Now establish the field level security and here we are clicking on the visible checkbox for enable the field level security for the profile and then click on the next button. After establishing the field level security, now add to the page layout. Select the page layout that should involve these fields and then click on the save button. After clicking on save, we come back to our contract fields page and scroll to the bottom of the page. Here we can see the contract custom fields and relationship section, and under this section we can see the contractor phone number with the phone data type is created successfully. So with this, we have learned how to create phone field type in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.